So what's going on, YouTube? We're back again working on this caprice. Today we're going to be trying to sand down the rear quarter, some doors, maybe do some of the front end. We got to get it in some epoxy so we can get some body work done. Just another hot day here in Florida. Humid as hell and about 90 degrees, so let's get this thing started. So after getting this side stripped down the bare metal, I only have so much time to do this. I'm doing it outside. I don't have a garage. So I was only able to get these two doors and this rear quarter stripped down. Now I'm going to throw some epoxy on there. So I have this matrix 2-part epoxy. MP470 is what it looks like. I can't even see it. And MAV 465. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. And I got this mixer, which is pretty awesome, from Amazon. Probably better to mix it with the drill. It's a little more variable. Do one last spin. By the way, this epoxy stinks. Stinky as hell. Full gun. Do a little squirt. So after wiping the car down with acetone or final wash, or at least the parts where you're painting, just do a couple spray outs, make sure that the gun's spraying correctly and the air pressure is right. Since we previously painted the roof with epoxy and now it's got 2K on it, I'm just trying to paint around just where it's bare metal, because that's all I want to try to do is get this epoxy on the bare metal parts of the car. And what we can do is let it dry up. We'll do our body work on there and throw some 2K on top of that, board it out, and paint it. So you can see the dents a little bit easier. So hit that subscribe button and we'll be bringing back some more videos later.